How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I have to talk about the elephant in the room, Nike. It's down 20% after their earnings, and high quality stock. They have dividends that they pay you 37 cents a share. It's probably not going to go any time away soon. As we can see, they've been doing this for quite some time. 30 cents, 30 cents. This one was 34, 34. So they even increased it too. I'm going to show you guys my system. I think you guys have a very, very nice opportunity if you guys are not watching it. I don't know how anybody has not seen this, but if you haven't seen it, Nike is down 20%. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at with my system. Is this a buy? Should you buy options and all that? And I'm going to show you guys what my plan is. So Nike, with my band strategy, as you can see, it's well below my lower band, which is considered a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get right in away because usually earnings will make it go up big or down. But did I expect a 20% move from Nike? No, as it went well below the ATR4. Have we ever done that with Nike? Let me see. The most we have done, as you can see, we will hit an ATR4, but look what happens. It bounces back. And then it hits an ATR4 again down here. It bounces back. So we're going to keep going through this thing, and we're at a rare occasion. Is this a nice area to start accumulating for long term? Absolutely, guys. Hit the ATR4, and we go up again. So let's keep seeing if we ever went to like an well below it. This one right in here had an earnings. It went a little bit below the ATR4, and guess what it did after their earnings? You know, it went here and it just recovered, went well through the gap, and just kept going up, guys. So there was a nice little example of an earnings play. Let's see if we have anything else showing here. As you can see, guys, you know, it respects it right in here. If we hit an ATR4 up in here with time distance, you're going to buy puts and make some massive money. I'm not seeing anything else. I think that is a great amount of examples. This was back in the COVID era. Actually, as you can see, even with my system, you would have still made money. Even on a high quality stock, this could not be beaten down. Right in here, you have a nice rejection here. You go to this thing right here, and you have a beautiful uptrend after that. So I'm going to stand to my thesis. This is a very great. They have lots of revenue coming in. I don't see anything wrong with buying this dip if you really wanted to. And I'm going to show you guys even with my system. And for everyone that's new in my channel, I use average true ranges. If a stock gets well below an ATR4, which is what my band's sitting at, usually a stock, higher quality stocks, will rebound and correct to the reversion to the mean. What is that reversion to the mean? Well, we have the EMA 5, 10, and 20. All those will get hit, but they're going to get hit on their own accord. Anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in a roughly 5 daily candles is considered long for a bigger cap stock. Well, since this thing has fluctuated so far down, look how far well we're above the bands. We're not going to hit this anytime soon. It's going to take some time. We might get a little bit of moves up in here, but this band right here will probably correlate somewhere in this area. So do keep that in mind. And then the upper band is the A2R4. That's where I look to buy. I short the stock and buy puts. What I also noticed too, guys, I was looking at the option chain. This is very interesting. If we go to, if I, you know, when I buy options, I like to go farther out. I'm a less riskier player. So I was looking at maybe like 20 December 2024. I know that's pretty far out. That's why I usually have an insane win ratio on options. And basically what I do is I do one or two in the money. This one I would do two, the $70 strike. As you can see, there's a little bit of people on it. But look what I'm seeing, guys. There's 30.86 implied volatility. That's very low, and you're not paying much for the premium. So these premiums are priced relatively cheap compared to a lot of other stocks. Implied volatility, you want to look for a lower amount. I always look for less than 40%. This meets the criteria for an A-plus option setup. So I am looking at the $70 strike on 20 December 24. Looks like 7 people got in it already. It has a massive delta of 71 cents. It's looking really nice. So yeah, and if you look at this, we're well below the ATR4. Let's go to the ATR5. Look at my settings here. We can go to the ATR5. Look at this, to a T. It went a little bit below it, but the bulls are coming in because they know how great of an opportunity is this, and you should get a dead cat bounce easily right in here. You know, and an option play, you'll make tons of money on this. So I am bullish on this. I don't see, why you would have a bear case. We're really overextended to the downside. We're hitting an ATR 5 right now. Even if we go back to the ATR 4, which is at $78.66, that is literally a $3 move with options. You will make quite some money, and that is conservative target. Longer term, I think we can do what the last earnings did, fill this gap up in here, and keep making a new high. We'll see. Nobody can predict the future, but I am pretty freaking sure that this is a nice buying opportunity. The KDJ is 32.81. That's going to fluctuate. It's going to take a lot of time to get back to that. But I'm going to watch this. NKAE is on high watch. This needs to be on everyone's radar. If you guys like higher quality stocks that meet the reversal system, this right here is giving it to you guys. We went from like $90 all the way to 75, guys. So it's on everyone's radar. Down 20%, 129 million volume that did that. And yeah, wow. This is bonkers, right? So, if you guys want to learn more about my system, and for you guys that are new, I offer a service that will make you guys really profitable, how to get precise entries, know when to exit your trades, and be confident, right? A lot of people will be looking at this and be like, oh, I'm not really confident in what I'm seeing. I just see a big down candle. Well, I'm seeing an ATR 5 on this candle. I'm seeing a nice reversion of the mean. We'll see. But obviously, you're going to have to join the Discord to know when I enter and when I exit if I look to get into this thing. I think this is going to be a great opportunity. I might play some time distance on it. I don't know. And if you guys don't know what I mean by time distance, this is your one daily candle of not hitting any of the EMA 5, 10, or 20. So this is 1 day of time distance. And from the EMA 5, like I said, 5 days not hitting the EMA 5 is kind of rare. So I can see a couple things happening. One, it can just be like kind of stagnant and let these things correlate to it. It could go lower, but I don't see really much, lower in my honest opinion. It could just kind of like stagnate a little lower, but it's looking pretty good, guys. So you just gotta choose what you want to do with it. I'm gonna let you guys know in the Discord if I decide to get in. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it is only first of all, if you want to join, I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and you will be a profitable trader, guys. I guarantee it. So when you click that link, it'll take you to the free chat landing page. Head on over to the server shop on the top left. You are going to trade like a pro. And what's going to happen is we have two services, Swing Trading Plus and Day in Swing Trading Plus. The Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you get access to everything. So that, in my opinion, is the best value. But if you only want swing trading, I offer it for $6 a month. So it's up to you guys. More alerts is obviously the Day in Swing Trading, and these are high probability alerts. And you will see my wins and losses in the RTK journal. I have an over 95% win ratio. And I try to give you guys only the best plays. If there's no play, we don't take a trade because patience is everything, and I want you guys to win in the market. I don't want people to lose, so I'm going to be very picky with you guys. So this is NKAE, very nice stock right in here. I'm liking it, and let's see what happens, right? Oh, man, it's pumping me up. I can't wait for Monday to see what this is going to do. But I like the options. The implied volatility is 30%, so the premiums are super cheap, guys. Just the IV alone increasing will make the premiums increase. So that means your options premium is going to go up, and you're going to make a lot of money just by implied volatility. And we know that IV is going to go up because a lot of people are going to want in on this, and they're going to see, buy lots of options just for that. So join the Day in Swing Trading Plus if you're gonna love it. The link's down below in the YouTube comments is pinned to access the Discord. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about the earnings call. Let me know what you anything that you saw, anything you want to share in the YouTube comments below. I appreciate it. I read all your comments, even though I don't have time to reply to all. But this is a hidden value stock that went down big on earnings, and I think we have a lot of potential for the room side up. So hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.